प्रवाह के दर्शकों, आज आपका फिर पुनः स्वागत है हमारे इस चैनल पे। हम लोग जीवन में बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, बहुत कुछ सोचते हैं, समझते हैं और लगता है कि हमने जीवन में सब कुछ पा लिया। ध्यान, पूजा, पंडितों के पास जाना, कितनी सारी प्रक्रियाओं में हम लगे रहते हैं। लेकिन फिर भी हमको लगता है कि हमारी जो 3 मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, वो हेल्थ, वेल्थ एंड रिलेशनशिप, वो वहीं की वहीं रह जाती हैं। कितना भी कोशिश कर लो लेकिन वो दूर नहीं हो पाती। तो उसके लिए हमेशा हम तलाश में रहते हैं कि कुछ ऐसा हमको जीवन में मिले कि जिससे हम इन चीजों से हम बाहर निकल सकें। तो उसी के लिए मैं बराबर प्रयासरत हूँ कि आपकी मुलाकात हर दिन एक नए व्यक्तित्व के साथ करवा रही हूँ, और जिनके पास एक नई मोडालिटी है जो आपको के साथ वो लोग साझा कर रहे हैं। आपने बहुत सारे लोगों को सुना, ज्योतिष का सुना, आपने वास्तु के बारे में सुना, बाग थेरेपी सुना। तो इस तरीके से अलग अलग लोगों ने अपनी अपनी जो उनकी विद्वता है वो आपके साथ उन्होंने साझा किया है। तो आज हम आपकी मुलाकात करवा रहे हैं बैंगलोर की वीना सुरुवु से। वो आईटी प्रोफेशनल है। देखिए, कितने कंट्रास्ट चीजें आपको मिलेंगी कि कहाँ से करियर शुरू होता है और कहाँ पे जाके वो परिवर्तित होता है। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इस तरीके से होता है, और जब हम लोग खुद उस चीज को महसूस कर लेते हैं कि ये चीज अब साझा करने के लायक है, तभी से हम आपकी मुलाकात करवा रहे हैं। शी इज एन आईटी प्रोफेशनल टर्न होलिस्टिक हीलर एंड ट्रेनर ऑफ वेरियस हीलिंग मोडालिटीज। She is founder of Veena Survu Holistic Healing Center. She has been working with hundreds of people for the last few years on imparting knowledge of access consciousness, angel healing, Akashic records, Reiki healing, heal your life, law of attraction in transforming people lives. ये देखिए कितना एक बड़ा काम है जो आप देख रहे हैं कि छोटे बच्चे हैं वो भी कर रहे हैं। ये तो छोटी सी हैं, और आपने बड़े बड़े लोगों को भी देखा है कि वो किस तरीके से अपने ज्ञान को साझा कर, यानी ज्ञान को प्राप्त करने का कोई खास हमारा ना समय होता है और ना हमको उसके लिए इंतजार करना चाहिए, ना ये सोचना चाहिए इट्स नेवर टू लेट। जब जागो तभी सवेरा। So she also worked with many clients doing one-to-one interactions in creating breakthroughs. वो सिंगल, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि ग्रुप में लोग मिले तो हम उनके साथ अपने ज्ञान को साझा करें। वन टू वन करने में बहुत समय और बहुत एनर्जी लगती है, बट दिस इज द थिंग शी इज बीइंग डूइंग। और उससे उनको हेल्थ, रिलेशनशिप, फाइनेंसेस, इन सब चीजों में जहां भी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शंस हैं वहां से आप उनको निकालने में वो समर्थ हैं। तो उनके पास बहुत सी और मोडालिटीज है, जिसमें कि थीटा हीलिंग एक है मोडालिटी, जिसके बारे में आज हम वीना जी से कहेंगे कि वो आपको इसका ज्ञान दें। और आप दर्शकों देखिए कि जितने भी मोडालिटीज से आप परिचित हो रहे हैं उनको आप सीखें और उसको अपने ऊपर किस तरह से आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, वो चीज बहुत जरूरी होती है। तो वीना जी, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम इन ऑन आवर चैनल। सो ओवर टू यू नाउ। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lekha ji, for inviting to this wonderful program. And you have been doing a phenomenal work on spreading the knowledge. Maybe not everybody resonates with everything, but something works for each of the person. So everybody is unique in their own ways.
Right.
And that's how even I kept enriching my knowledge. At one point, I used to think my spiritual journey started like way back 15 years back.
Oh, you look so well,
Yeah.
so young. So right
Yeah.
from the childhood, probably you are doing that.
Yeah, although my parents were asking me to meditate, I was just chilling out and all. At one point, I realized there is something greater within. As I was doing meditation, I was getting visions, third eye opening, and astral travel. So many experiences were happening.
Oh my
Then
God.
I went going after what is this experience? I didn't know how this can happen.
Right. Oh,
Right.
that's great. That's
That is
really
where I
great.
learned about energy, and I started with the Reiki, and I have been learning since while pranic healing and so many things. Still, even I'm in learning phase. At
Because
one
that
point,
never ends. I think so. Learning never ends, and every day one should keep learning. That's my message for everyone.
yeah.
Right.
And every year I used to think I am not going anywhere, although reading so many scriptures and attending so many workshops. At one point, I realized, okay, this is the point of transformation, and there is never looking back.
Right.
at this time, I feel like sharing my wisdom or the knowledge I have been getting on my own as well as through outer
Yes.
world experiences.
Right. So
And
this
I-
is where I'm really amazed that you are doing astral travel and your third eye is open, because people work very hard for all those things, but that's God gifted. You have worked a lot, I think, in your previous lives. That is why you are blessed by all these things.
Yeah, thank you. So that is how even theta healing came into life, and it was very unique.
Mm.
I have been exposed to hypnotherapy. Just I was witnessing various masters doing hypnotherapy, and I never believed in past lives or any other thing. For
Right.
me, I was believing more of the absolute thing, never of the
Oh.
relative stuff.
Okay.
That made real sense to me. So that was my nature. So the past lives and all these things never made sense. But although I was learning so many other things, later I realized some people they relate with past lives.
Yeah.
So it's not about whether we are validating we had such kind of past lives, or whether it is our own past lives, or we are looking at some others. So it doesn't matter. It is about resolving an issue.
That's the basic thing.
Yeah. And many people can't go into that kind of trance in hypnotherapy or any kind of sessions where they can be
I'm one
self-healed.
of the example. I normally I can't go in the past life. I tried
That's
many
what-
times, but I couldn't go.
Yes.
Probably it's not for me.
Yeah, so everybody needs are different, and everybody evolution is different. Sometimes
Yeah.
we would have done so much of work already in the past, and we may not require us also. We are totally in a different level of evolution.
Right, that's true.
Yeah. So that is where even theta healing came into my life. And here the client doesn't need to go into any of the past conditioning. It could be from this current lifetime only, which
Okay.
could be blocking them in terms of money or relationships. Somewhere some issue got stuck, and that energy, they are stuck in that place. Maybe some 7 years old, the mother didn't give the care or protection, or she didn't listen to the child. And every relationship they go into, they feel the same insecurity or needing for attention, which they have not got as a child.
That's very true.
That energy is stuck. So in theta healing, we connect to the creator's plane. We do have 7 planes of consciousness.
Right.
And we connect to the highest plane, which is the 7th plane, where we connect to the creator.
Right.
And we use theta brainwave. As we all know, we generally operate in beta brainwave while we are speaking or having a conversation.
Yeah, right.
And when we do meditation, we go to alpha
state. Yeah.
Sometimes we go into theta state.
Theta state. But that is very rare. Everybody can't go, I think, so in the theta state.
Yes.
It's not very easy unless and until you meditate for a very long time, or your soul is so much evolved. That's what I think.
Yes. So when we have a lot of matured mindset and that pure evolved consciousness, that is when we can just shift into theta consciousness, because there is not much programming left. We would have cleared all that programming which we have accumulated from the society or our culture or our geography.
Belief system.
Yeah, all the belief system we would have worked on. So we can just jump into that theta space in a effortless way. And we need not do so much of meditation. And it's like we will be a talking, walking meditation person.
Okay, that's
so
amazing. That's amazing. I have no idea about the theta healing, so that's why I was very much curious to know about that.
Yeah. So we do connect into the theta brainwave and connect to the creator.
Right.
And creator will be guiding us what is that caused this issue.
Okay.
So even client may not be aware sometimes that okay, this particular thing which has happened in the past when she was a teenager is causing this thing.
Okay.
We help the client. It will be a quite interactive session.
Okay.
So we'll be addressing whatever the client comes up with the problem. So we'll be addressing the problem and we'll be digging deeper. Okay, how was the feeling? Where did you experience it?
Right.
And what is the learning there? So we'll it involves quite some time. so that the client themselves will realize what the issue is. So as it happens in the theta state, we are directly connected to the subconscious.
Right.
As we are making that energetic shifts with the help of the creator, these old programs will be deleted and new programs. Sometimes they don't know how to feel loud.
That
Even
is
though the family or the at workplace, people could be nurturing, but they can't receive that love. Otherwise, they don't
that
know.
means they are stuck somewhere in the childhood. They didn't get that love. That is why they are stuck. What would you say for that? So they get stuck over there. At the childhood, very childhood, they get stuck. If they are not receiving love, that means they were stuck somewhere in the childhood.
Yes, they would have been stuck, and that energy, whichever is there stuck, we will be releasing that energy. The feeling of not feeling loud.
So do you use any symbols in that, or that's the direct energy flows in the body? So how does the process happen?
So it involves connecting to the creator. How it there could be many ways. We going into theta state, it could be meditation, but this modality was widespread by a person called Viana Stiebel. She is the founder of Theta Healing, and it is worldwide in many countries, and there are many people involved in spreading of this knowledge.
Right.
Yeah, and so she has given techniques in expanding our own consciousness.
Okay. That is it through meditation, or how do you?
It just involves. It just involves few steps. Just we becoming aware of our own body and connecting to the objects around us and expanding our consciousness beyond this room, beyond this city and beyond this earth, and as if we are so expanded, and from that space we are already in the seventh plane. We are like no more limited to our body.
Right, expanding like Hanumanji as he started expanding himself. So that people will get more connected. If दर्शकों आप सोचिए जैसे हनुमान जी अपना विस्तार करके इतने विशाल हो गए थे कि उन्होंने पूरा समुद्र लांघ लिया था, तो वही बात वीणा जी हमें बताने की चेष्टा कर रही है कि वो अपने आप को इतना फिजिकली नहीं मेंटली इतना ज्यादा एक्सपैंड कर लेती है कि वो यूनिवर्स से क्रिएटर से कनेक्ट हो जाती हैं. Am I right, Veena?
Yes, correct. So body is a part of our being. So our being is so expansive, which is nothing but our consciousness.
Right.
So we can be aware of everything around. It's like we shift from our body consciousness to divine consciousness when we connect to the seventh plane.
Seventh plane. Okay.
Yeah. And there we get to see the truth. Many times at this consciousness, we don't know what is causing or who is against us or what is happening leading to these problems and all. But as we are in the divine consciousness, we know what is happening and what can be changed so that the end result can change.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. So can you please tell the names of the seven planes to the viewers? They would like to know.
Yeah. So there are no particular names as such, but I'll explain each of the planes for your understanding.
That will be better to understand. Yeah.
So the first plane of the consciousness, or these seven planes of the consciousness are also called seven planes in heaven or seven planes in existence.
Right.
Okay. When we take the first plane of the consciousness, it involves sand, rocks, crystals.
Okay.
So they don't have a movement as such.
Okay.
They can't grow.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And even crystals, they are also live beings, and everything in this universe has its own consciousness.
Right, right.
Maybe this pen has its own consciousness. We think it is dead, but it can also communicate to us if you are willing to. So even crystals are very much alive beings, which we use for healing as well. So each level we can use for healing, and everything has its own way of offering their own gifts.
Right. This is the first plane.
This is the first plane. And second plane, we deal with plants which can grow. So that is how even in the recent book that I have read, Sita Yanam, Untold Story of Sita, she speaks about she speaks about these herbs where people used to come up with problems, and she used to go to the forest and talk to the plants and collect some herbs and give it to the people.
Right. This
So
was
even Ayurveda, naturopathy, all these are based on second plane of
Second.
consciousness.
Okay.
And there are also nature spirits, fairies. Fairies also can give certain amount of information. Mostly they are found in the bushes or where there is a lot of greenery. And some people, they can even see with natural
They
eyes,
can
and
see.
some people use their extrasensory perception.
And I have heard the fairies are very naughty. They do.
Yeah. So they are like, they don't have very ultimate consciousness, and they do have their wishes also. Sometimes they gift us and they also want to be pampered.
Oh, that's true. That. So
Yeah.
are they visible? Fairies are also visible?
Yes. Many people who are have psychic senses developed.
Yeah.
It's, so they will be able to see.
See.
And here I want to make a point that for everyone, these psychic senses are very much present, but we have turned down their intensity.
That's
Maybe as a child, we are told, no, you shouldn't pursue something beyond the convention. Maybe someday we would have gone beyond our body and told, there in TV, some serial was playing. Then mother would have told, how come you come out of your body and saw the serial in the next room? No, this is not allowed. Then we thought, okay, this is not natural.
This is not
okay.
something.
So everybody has these senses.
They have the psychic powers, but they are not dormant.
Using.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So once we start doing this energy work, and these are our natural gifts and our birthright to use them.
Very true.
And they can give a lot of information, and they can help us in easy ways. It's not that we need to read a lot of books or interpret to logical brain. So this comes naturally. So it's there in the ether, and the information we can just psychically get into us.
That's very wonderful. That's wonderful. So the third plane is animals. Would you like?
Third plane is animals as well as we, the human beings.
We are all on the same.
Yeah, we are all the animals may not talk, but we have that freedom of expression, and that is beautiful. And next plane is fourth plane. Fourth plane is a plane of spirits.
Okay.
So this here ancestors and all, sometimes spirit guides, all this will be there. And this is the place where shamans operate from.
Okay.
So they deal with the spirit and spirit guides of various.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, shamanism is also a wonderful modality.
Yeah, I have come through that, gone through that also. I've taken few classes on that also.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's wonderful that you being a Reiki master, and you have been mastered various modalities and also offering the classes to others. It's a wonderful resource. Nice of you.
Just trying to help people. That's all we can do.
Yes.
Rest is their destiny. We can't change it. So those who come, they naturally learn the things. And we share only. We can't teach anyone. Just sharing is going on. That's all we can
when
do.
we be the energy of that teachings or learnings which we are sharing, even without words that we speak, they come into our presence and they are transformed.
They attract. As I was attracted to you. Okay. Then angels.
Angels are in the fifth plane.
Fifth plane. That's what I was.
And there are also ascended masters in the fifth plane.
Fifth plane. Okay.
Like Shiva, Jesus, Buddha.
They are
all Lakshmi,
Parvati,
whoever the goddess,
all the goddess.
Yes,
all
Mary
the
Magdalene.
Okay.
Goddess Tara. All these people are ascended masters, considered as
fifth plane on the.
And angels are also called light beings.
Light beings, yes.
So they are multi-dimensional beings, and they can help many people.
Right.
Who are in their evolution.
Right.
And next plane is sixth plane of existence, which where there are the laws of the universe.
Okay.
Law of time, law of compassion, law of electricity, law of magnetism. So there are many laws which are governing this universe, although there is a lot of chaos that we perceive, but there is inherent order in it. So
So
these are the laws.
they go according to their laws. We human beings, we try to change several things, but how is it possible when we are on the third plane? How can we change the things which are on the
Yes.
sixth plane? Unless and until you have the power, at least you can go and see there. You
Yes.
cannot try to change also. But
Yeah.
what we think, if we are if we pray God, if we just go and sit in the temple and keep chanting and वो
Yes.
घंटा बजाते रहेंगे and then we can get the things, I don't think that's possible.
Yeah. So here actually we think we exist only in the third plane of consciousness, but we do exist in all the 7 planes.
All the 7
That is how we can connect to the crystals in the first plane as well as creator in the 7th plane.
7th plane. Okay.
Even we have the capacity once we master our own virtues,
Right.
and we have the capacity to bend time. Maybe sometimes you want to travel to the airport and it may take 2 hours with the traffic provided, but you reach in 40 minutes. You are bending the law of time.
That technique we have learned.
Yes.
How to do certain things, and I always put the time, and I have seen that whatever time you put, you reach.
Yes.
That's the beautiful thing I have noticed, and I have been practicing it, because in Delhi, even in the Bangalore, always you're stuck in the traffic. So that is a beautiful thing. But not all the time we should keep manifesting and changing time. But if you are in a hurry,
Yeah,
burry,
so
then-
it happens in the highest way. It's not that okay, it will happen for us and with the cost of others thing and all. It won't happen that way.
won't happen, but
Yeah.
sometimes it happens also. Yeah. So so in theta healing, you just get connected to the creator, and then with
Yes.
the energies you get the things which are stuck released. That's what I
Yes.
think theta healing
So
is for.
7th plane is of the creator's plane, where there is lot of unconditional love and there is no judgment or anything. It works in the highest favor and good for us,
For everyone, I think.
for
so.
everyone connected to us as well.
Yes.
So it's a very wonderful, sometimes just spending connecting to the creator itself is very insightful. Our awareness will increase, our consciousness will expand.
That's true.
So from there, if we operate, life becomes more alive. Sometimes we eat just like that, but we forgot tasting. So when we do everything in that theta plane or theta brainwave consciousness, then life will be a different level. We are more alive, more sensual, and we are aware of everything happening around also.
So what you are eating there, you get connected to that also. Nowadays, what is happening? People are watching TV and just eating for the sake of eating.
Correct.
Without realizing what actually they want and what for they are eating. They have forgotten that also.
That's what. Correct. So every work that we do becomes more fulfilling. It's not that okay, we do some work and many times we leave it like incomplete, and that is where we come again and we try to attract same kind of people, causing same lessons, giving same lessons to us until we master them. But as we live in this space, then everything has its own completion, and we keep on creating new stuff. That's how the consciousness expands as well through us.
Right.
So that's the beauty of theta plane. It's not only just used for healing, but also can be used for manifestation.
That is very necessary. People always want to manifest a few things, but when they are not able to do that, then they get frustrated कि अच्छा ये तो work नहीं करता है. This is the plea normally people take. अच्छा आपने ये करा, इससे तो कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. Like taking a homeopathic pill or something, if it doesn't work immediately, then people start complaining. That is a very common thing happening around them. So what would you suggest? How much time does it take to manifest if they are manifesting in a proper way, or that is a great question.
Yes. So here theta healing involves 3 things. One is belief work. So we'll be looking into our beliefs. And second thing is intuitive work. Intuitively we know where these beliefs are and what the beliefs, core beliefs, which are causing the issue. And then once we remove these beliefs, there is also feeling downloads. Maybe
Okay.
we never have experience in our ancestral hierarchy that how we can be rich. We think, okay, we always lived middle class, and maybe this is the standard set for us, and we should never cross that line.
That's true.
So
With
correct. So those kind of things will be there. The programs would not be there to attract the abundance or right relationships. So we instill those feelings, downloads into the people. Unlike we do affirmations in various other modalities,
yeah.
which takes like 21 days, and in between something wrong happens, they think, okay, my affirmations are not working.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That
So
always
there will
happens.
be a
Always
lot of
there is a myth.
doubt, and yeah,
I
it takes
have
a
a
lot of
doubt.
time. Yeah.
That's,
So, but in Theta, the changes are instantaneous.
oh, that's great.
Yeah. And many times in the recent, one of my friends were coming for Theta session, and she was having these suicidal tendencies.
Right.
And how the session goes, it has its own way of taking off. So sometimes even I wonder, okay, what have I spoken?
Oh, you
So
know,
it happens.
you can't realize at that time with because the
Yeah.
creator, you're connected with the creator, so
Correct.
you can't make
Yeah.
make on your own what's happening and what words
Yeah.
are coming out of your mouth.
Yeah.
Right. It's,
And so this lady finished the session, and it was for me, I know the changes have happened, but she felt okay. She was in the end, she was angry. I know the session has completed, but very next day, after 2 days, she was saying she didn't have a great relationship with the spouse. Maybe because of some miscommunication or communication not happening
Right.
the way it has to be.
Mm.
And suddenly things shifted, and she planned vacations, and she is enjoying thoroughly. And whatever the time she is spending with her spouse, it's very qualitative, and the whole environment in the house has changed. The whole aura of the house has changed. So she is thanking me like anything for that.
Naturally, she has to thank, because your aura is really very effective, that I can see the aura around you. So that is actually attracting me.
Yeah, thank you.
That's great. So
It's your own greatness, madam, that you are
no,
acknowledging. When you acknowledge others, that is there already in you.
no, because I can see and I'm feeling so good. There is something in your face which is which will attract everyone as I am attracted. Some energy is there which is beyond our expectation. I haven't seen you before so clearly. So what I am feeling, so others may also be feeling the same thing. So Veena, do you teach also theta healing, or you only take the sessions?
Yes, I'll be teaching in a month's time.
And how many sessions do you need for that?
Theta healing, generally they have a big hierarchy if you learn from Vienna Siebel's way. So first one is basic theta healing, advanced theta healing, and then dig deeper. These are the basic courses, 3 courses.
Right.
And later there are specialty courses. If you are looking for just relationships, they have how soulmate course,
right,
significant other if you are already in partnership,
okay.
Or if you want to expand your business, or see where each person is at what level of development in their life.
That is very
Who can
important.
help us in our business, that is
right,
for
right.
inner circle. So they have many courses like manifestation, abundance courses, and everything is so beautiful, but the basics itself will give a lot of breakthroughs.
Basically, if they are the people learn the 3 basics, what you are telling, the basic, advance, and the other one,
deeper.
Dig deeper. So people will can manifest their things, and they can come out of the problems which they are having in their lives.
Yes, yeah, it works very. It's beyond our logical mind, basically.
Right. So, for how many days do you take the workshop for this? For the 3
each workshop is 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and the energy exchange is exorbitant, or people can come easily?
It will be provided by the international standards only. So
yeah. That is okay.
It follows international
standards. That has to be followed by the
by the organization is providing.
So On your own you cannot go. You are, as you are connected with the organization, so you have to follow the rules,
Yes.
and whatever they say, that you have to go according
Yeah.
to them. Oh,
Yes.
that's great, that's great. So
Yeah.
it has been a wonderful listening to you. And I would
And
like,
even a lot of health issues, many times people will say simple things like tinnitus, like something ringing in the ear. Or even in the recent COVID cases, many people have been on ventilators, ECMO, and difficult times they are going through. And this theta healing helped them largely. And even some people who are having this uh, like children can't speak or they can't move because of like cerebral palsy. So we'll be shown how they can be healed or what needs to be done, and how is there a chance of getting better. And so everything will be shown in theta. It's not only for relationship or finances, even our health can be made better.
on all the issues, whatever we are having, the as the human being, they are having different issues at different levels, so that they can come out of the problems.
Yeah.
That means,
Yeah.
so it's and do you teach meditations also during this theta healing? Something,
Yeah, we do have a lot of
some
exercises.
different type of exercise, not exactly the meditation word, I think.
Yeah, it is a kind of meditation, but it is very quick. It's not that we sit for a longer
for
hours
long
and
time, for hours we are sitting. It's not
it's
like
not
that.
required.
It's not required. As you get
Yeah.
connected to the creator directly, so then it is not required to keep sitting.
Correct.
So that means only a few people, those who are meant for that, will reach to you. That is
Yes.
also, I think, it is
Yeah, I feel mostly, who are ready for it usually come to me.
they otherwise they can't
I wonder
reach.
sometimes they say in hypnotherapy, in general traditional way, whoever learned from reputed organizations, they
Right.
follow a structure. First class you can't go into the trance or anywhere. You need to go for 3-4 sessions, then maybe you can go into trance, and then you sort out this issue. So it's lot of too much of work, I feel. For me, it's like okay, you have come, okay, you sort out the issue and get out.
It's done, and so that's great.
So that's
so
beauty.
beautiful.
So many people think uh, they have to, life is tough or they have to work a lot, but life is actually simpler. The solutions are possibilities that we have is very much available if we are willing to receive them. So one more example, like one lady was saying, my father-in-law or my husband always fights or they do some kind of nuisance in the home. And suddenly the creator was saying the father-in-law, whatever time he is over here, just give that importance, and you may not follow complete instruction, but give that importance. It's like she need not go about doing lot of affirmation once work to get out of that. She understood, okay, he will be there for quite some time only with them. He is already old. There is no point in putting the fights with him.
She
He
understood.
immediately reached right. So it takes just
Fraction of seconds, we can say.
fraction of seconds, and that viewpoint will shift.
That will shift.
So that is how I feel. This is even quantum also.
Quantum also, yeah.
It's like very quantum. It's unlike okay, we have to do this or some not linear at all. The shifts that happen, it not only happens in the physical level, but maybe it would have changed our past ancestor line, and even in the future. Once we resolve that issue, we won't pass it on to our further generation.
Further children and generation. That is very true. That is that I
even
can.
Our past lives or past incarnations are healed. Even ancestors are healed. So just one person we choosing to change can create ripples of that ripples. We can spread that ripples in all the environment that we are in.
What I feel ki people actually they are not ready to leave their belief system. They are so stuck. मतलब उसको कहते थे हिंदी में कहते जकड़े हुए हैं. And if you talk to them, and they are not ready to leave, then what I started thinking is they are not ready for the thing, so they will not understand. So just leave them. When their time will come, they will automatically understand, and then the things will go smoothly in their lives also. Because we always want, if you see a person in the pain, and then feel like telling them, yes, this is the path you can follow, but नहीं हमें सब पता है जी, okay, if you know then it's fine, but sometimes we can't help unless and until they are willing. And if they ask for the help only, then I think we can help them. Otherwise it's difficult in that way.
Many times family members come and saying my brother or somebody in the family is looking for help, but they are not ready to come.
They're not ready.
And I say, just you be in the allowance that they will show up one day. You don't think that, you don't have a strong belief that they won't come anytime. And many times after a 1 month, the person whom the healing is required, they showed up in my sessions, and they have transformed like anything. So even we should be saying, okay, when their time comes, as you said, they will come and the change will be.
Only we have to keep the positive thinking ki yes, aisa hoga. But the thing is ki it's very difficult to stay positive. Also, everyone say we have the saying ki be positive, be positive.
It's
but
not about positive. It's being sensitive to the energy and awareness. We'll be knowing. It's not that there is no logic.
But the healers will come to know, na, Veena. But the normal, as layman people, they won't understand.
Right.
They will not even understand what you are saying. For them, it's a fun. As even if I call them for the meditation, they say, no, we know how to meditate. We know we are doing the puja. That's a different issue. I am doing yoga. I am walking regularly. They are all different issues. But when you have to learn something, or you want transformation in your life, that people don't understand. Yes, they need the transformation also, which is very, very necessary for the growth of the soul. So that's the message. I think by our conversation, most of the people will come to understand that is also required. It is required for everyone to learn the things.
Many people think, okay, meditation is only the solution, but healing can be faster. You need not wait for 10 years to
meditate and come out of
it. It may take just 1 hour, 1 hour of interaction, and many people, they say, I was looking for jobs and 3 years happened, nothing has happened. But some beliefs change in that 1 hour, and immediately they are ready, or they are looking forward so much for the job, and the job will show up in their space.
So do you do Reiki healing also? Or you
I do Reiki healing. I give attunements as well.
You do give attunements, and do you do the healing part also? Do you heal people?
I do healing
with all the protections.
Yes, many times the people with depression, or sometimes they need that support.
Actually, sometimes you find people are very in a depressive mode, or some major accidents have happened. So I think Reiki healing is also very powerful in that way, healing people. What is your opinion?
So Reiki is the simplest. Anybody can do it.
Anyone.
Theta, we need to use our senses, and sometimes people think whether they are working or not. And this Reiki is very simple, and it comes easily for everyone.
It comes easily for everyone.
So if they can use it in day-to-day lives, everything in their lives also can change. The stress won't be there.
So I think everyone should at least start learning from the Reiki healing. And then gradually you can go for the Theta healing also. And there are many modalities you can learn, but the basic thing is Pranic and Reiki. So everyone should learn that, and at least you can keep yourself healthy. That is very important. Your own issues you can solve. So that will be more
even
important.
My journey started with Reiki.
And I think everyone starts like that, no? And there is a myth nowadays that don't heal anyone because you are taking the karmas of others. So that's why I was asking whether.
So these are the beliefs or limitations of each of the plane. Even in shamanism, they think we take the other's problem on our body, and we have to suffer as a healer.
But I don't think it is right. It is like that.
No, it's a belief. That's all.
Only
and
a
can
belief.
Be worked upon.
That can be worked. That's a very good thing.
Even I teach many. I do lot of Theta healings in one day. I am not at all drained. I am not at all zoned out. I am still in the same energy when I have started the day.
Right.
So we need to know what are the rules, and we need to follow.
If you follow the rules and regulations and do the things in a proper manner, then we won't be taking the karmas or affected by any of the things. That is very important. So It was nice talking to you, Veena. Just you give your number to the viewers. They will be very happy to talk to you.
Yes, it's 9008 172 484.
Once again, do you repeat? Yeah, please.
9008 172 484.
So I really
And-
thank you for coming and viewers, आपने आज बहुत सारा ज्ञान प्राप्त करा है, और ये जो अपने मन में हम भ्रम पालते हैं, उस भ्रम से बाहर निकलिए, अपने बिलीफ सिस्टम्स को तोड़िए, और तब देखिए दुनिया कितनी खूबसूरत है। आप जो चाहें वो मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा, समझना पड़ेगा कि वाकई में इस यूनिवर्स में इतना कुछ है, इतना वो हमें देने के लिए तैयार है, केवल हम लेने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। यही आज की हमारी विडंबना है। तो व्यूअर्स, आई होप यू एंजॉयड द सेशन. So thank you so much, and Veena, thank you so much for coming and
Thank you.
enlightening us. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Lekha ji. All the best for all your future sessions and the viewers over here.
Thank you so much.